Now we are gonna go through the fun part, setting up for the VR Oculus to Unity. So be prepared, be patient, because it's gonna take a while. You need to take some packages. Sometimes things are not gonna work. Sometimes it's gonna be a hassle. So be prepared for that. But I hope that with this tutorial we can do it and we are not gonna have any trouble. So let's get to it. Here we are in Unity. The first thing that we need to do is go to Window, go to Package Manager, go here to Packages. We need to go to Unity Registry, look for the packages that we'll be using. In this case, we are gonna use XR Interaction Toolkit. This is the most brilliant thing that someone develops because it makes so insanely easy to use any kind of device like VR device with Unity. So click install there. It's gonna take a while, and then it's asking that it's gonna restart. We are gonna say yes, whatever, restart everything. Come on, my computer is a little bit slow. Yes, and then it's gonna ask yeah, I have a backup, go ahead, yes, save, whatever, and then it's just gonna reset our project. So now that we are again here in Package Manager, now we can just type Oculus XR plugin, and we are going to install it. That's it. That's all that we need for the moment. So then we need to go here to File, and then we are going to go to Build Settings, and then you can see that our project is built up for just Windows, to run in Windows. So now we want to run it in Android. So we go to Android, and that's why I told you at the beginning that you need to install from Unity Hub. You have to have this module that it's Android build support. Open JDK and all this stuff, because that's the one that is gonna make available to us to switch to this platform. So now we just switch platform, and that's it. It's gonna take a little bit, and then it's gonna ask for restart again or something probably. See, for example, here say there is a trouble because it's like not finished yet. Yeah, now it looks good. Now we can go to player settings, and in player settings we see our XR plugin management here. So we just click here, and then we enable Oculus, that is the one that we are gonna use, and then we go here to Windows and also click Oculus, and then that's it. Like, there are more stuff here that you can go through and check and, I don't know, read more about it. Yeah, like you can change here the name of your project, the company, blah blah blah, all the stuff, but I don't care at the moment about that. So that's all that we need to do for the moment here in Unity. So now we need to connect our Oculus device in Unity. So for that, I'm gonna show you, I don't know how to show you. For this section, we are gonna use our headset. So first you need your headset, of course, and then you need your link cable for the headset, this one. So it should be at the link cable because it's the one that can run the data in real time with Unity, because the idea is that we want to connect the headset to Unity, so when we hit the play button we can check like in real time what's going on in Unity in our headset, so it's easier for us to develop any project that we are making. Also, if we want to build up the project in the headset, so that's the purpose of this. So first you need to connect your headset with your cell phone. So in your application that it's MetaQuest, so you have to have like an account in MetaQuest. So you need to give all your data to Facebook, of course, and also it's gonna ask you at certain point for a credit card. It's not gonna take any money for you, it's just for like because they want your credit card. Sorry, because they want your credit card. Is not gonna charge you anything. It's just like for being sure that your account is legit. I'm gonna record my screen and I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna go to MetaQuest, and then I'm gonna go to menu, And in menu, you can see devices, and your device should be connected. Now, mine is connected now. And then I go down, and in my case, it says developer mode, but I check in another cell phones, like in our course, for example, you need to go to another section. I don't remember what was the name, maybe like settings, advanced settings, or something like that. And then inside that, you are gonna find like this developer mode. We need to enable this developer mode for our headset be connected to Unity. We can run it as developers. So it doesn't appear like the bottom as here. It's gonna ask for authenticate your account. So that's when you need to hit authenticate, go through all the put your credit card and do all of that, and then you can enable the developer mode. So now back to Unity and our headset. We just need to plug the link cable to our computer, and then if we go to our headset, it's gonna ask us for allow connect device to access files. I'm gonna say yes, allow, and then it's gonna ask it's gonna appear like a screen that says enable Quest link, and I'm gonna say enable, sure. Sometimes it's gonna say like debugging or something like that, accept everything, and then it's gonna take you to a different, like a gray space, more like tech space, and now you know that you are connected, like in this developer mode. Now we can go here to Unity, and then so slow, why are you so slow? And then you can go here, hit the play button, and put our headset. Now we can see what's going on. It's running as play mode, but it's just a static because we are checking like the static camera inside Unity. So now we need to create our VR camera or our XR origin that I'm going to show you now for like starting interacting as VR inside Unity. But that's all the setting up for the connection between Unity and Oculus. Also, something important is like you can go here to build settings, go to run device, and in default device, check that the Oculus appear here, like your Oculus Quest is here. If you are using Oculus Quest 2, so it should be Oculus Quest 2. If not, you can just refresh. It should be here. If not, if that doesn't happen sometimes, it's because in the app, in the cell phone app, somehow disables again the developer mode. I don't know what happens, but we experienced that in the course. So you need to be certain that it's enabled all the time for the headset to be here. Because when we want to build the project, we will need to select Oculus and build and run our project, but I can show you that later.